Hello, good afternoon everyone and welcome back to our live dito sa ating team na 2014 Sabre School basketball team against the San Beda. Ito po ang ating unang laban para sa Prada Basketball League 2025 season. Ito po ang ating team. Ayan, good luck sa ating first game. Aba, 2014. Ay, shout out. Ayan, kala ma'am Aline, you, and the rest of the parents na muling nagtiwala sa atin sa pag-coverage ng kanilang team. It's an honor na maging part ng inyong team. Mga batang ito. Ayan, for the next generation of basketball industry sa ating bansang Pilipinas. Ayan, it's August 16, 2025. This is the 2014 division sa Prada Basketball League. Sabre School versus the San Beda. Good luck Sabre School and good luck from both teams. Let's go! First ball, papupunta sa atin. And the first shot, you get the miss. Go away with the putback. Jersey number 13. Tumira sa 3, short, out of bounds. Sabre School basketball. Brandon. Oh, sorry, that's Brody. Number 11. Gagi. Pass to Jerwin. Tan. Sumalaksak. Tumira. Wala. Rebound. Makukuha, and that's a jump ball. Wala na ang mga nakapula. Number 7 pinasa corner. Number 38 pass to number 7. Tumira sa corner, short, rebound. Ayan na, Gagi to Jerwin, Tan, all the way, basket. Get their first basket this season, Jerwin Tan. And shout out sa pamilya Tan is watching. Ayan, nakita ko kanina si Kuya Erwin Tan. And shout out din po sa kanyang pamilya. Number 13, no good. Offensive rebound, no good pa rin. Rebound ng San Beda. Outlet pass, number 7. Using the glass, no good. Rebound, mapapunta kay Gagi. Gagi looking for his teammate. Number 30. Naitawid. Brody Kyoto. Hand up to number 30. Number 30, sumalaksak. Uy, too strong. Was there para sa putback. 6-2 nating run para sa Xavier. Number 7 to number 39. Back to number 19. What a nice fake. Stop and pump. Too strong. Rebound. Makukuha ni Tico. Steal by number 7. Number 7. Reverse layup. But there's a foul. Number 13. Time remaining 6 minutes and 25 seconds. Shooting at the line for jersey number 7 para San Beda. Shout out din po. Shout out kay Ma'am Gina Ong. Ayan na. Jerwin tayo nagpapakitang gilas. Pass to number 30. Kagi. Nagay kay Jerwin. Makuha ni number 11. Gagi. Pass to Jerwin. Catch and shoot. Choosing the glass. No good. Rebound by Gagi. Side step. No good. Kaawas there. No good pa rin. Rebound na dito ng mga nakapula. Number 19, wala. Rebound. Oopsie. Bola dito ng San Beda. Dito napit dito yung oras. Number 39, 4-3, short. Rebound. Number 39 to number 18, no good. Rebound by Cole. Makukuha. Ayan na, nagagawan. Steal by number 19. Number 19 with the Hesi. Tumira. Ooh! Basket by jersey number 19. Ayan na, big man number 9. Basket is good. (8-3) ang ating talaan. Number 19, pass number 5 from elbow 3, no good. Rebound by Titus. Tang, nagmamadali. Tang. Out of bounds. Wala ng San Beda. Number 0. Pass number 14. Catch and shoot. Short. Rebound by number 0. Wala. Rebound by you. Ayan na si you. Nagmamadali. Oh, there's a foul. Two shots para kay Hugh. First shot is good. 4 minutes and 30 seconds. Second shot, Hugh. Basket. 10-3. Ayan na. Number 0. Tumira. Basket. You with the Hesi. You. Uy, nabitawan. Out of bound. Xavier score basketball. Minutes and 43 seconds. Bola ng Xavier. Pass to Titus. Outlet pass. Number 9. Derecho. Ooh, there's a foul. Two shots by you. Number 34. First shot, no good. Second shot para kay you. You basket is good. 11-5. Substitution ng San Beda. Number 0. May tangan ng bola. Number 0. Pupunta sa kanan. Pass number 14. Number 14. Sumalaksak. And there is a foul. That's a pushing foul para sa Xavier. No good. Second shot by jersey number 14. San Beda. Wala. Rebound ng Xavier. Number 9. Pass number 25. No good. Rebound ng San Beda. Outlet pass. Steal. You all the way. Yes sir. Para kay you. Nandito yung kanilang Perez na si Mas Ali na Liu and Mr. Yu. Shoutout po. Number 0. Oopsie, that's an offensive foul. It's offensive blocking. Two minutes and 38 seconds. Bola dito na ating Xavier. Ayan na. Number 25 na. Bitawan nga lang. San Beda basketball. Number 0. Oopsie. Steal by you. 2 against 2. 3 against 2. You all the way. Basket. What a nice strong drive by you. 15-5 ang ating talaan. Lamang pa rin tayo ng 10. This is the biggest lead of the game. Ayan na, number 55. Cross. Pass to number 21. Steal by number 9. Pass to you. You nagmamadali. Pass to you. You with the reverse. You atake and there's a foul. Two shots para kay you, jersey number 18 of our Xavier. Substitution para San Beda. First shot is good. Uy! No good. Ito na ang San Beda. Binigay sa corner. Number 55. Short. Rebound by you. Nagagawan. There's a jump ball. Bola ng San Beda. Or sorry, correction. Xavier. Ayun na. Uy, that is a foul. Titus Tang naman ang susubok sa free throw area. Ayan, shout out kay Coach T.Y. Tang. I know that he's watching and the parents of the Tang family. First shot on the free throw basket yan para kay Titus Tang. Second shot is good. 2 for 2. 17-15 ang ating talaan. Uy, out of bounds. Xavier's goal, basketball. You, pass to you. You, back to you. Pass to you. Naitawid, Titus. Uy, naka-recover si number 8 to stop the clock. Last 38 seconds. Bola pa rin natin dito. Steal ng mga nakapula. Oopsie, out of bounds. Naka-recover number 9 with the steal. Pass to you. Binababa ang bola. Uy! That's offensive foul by you. Time out. San Beda. Tingnan natin ang ating coach. Oriel. Official score is 17-5. Lamang pa rin tayo ng 12. Alright, back to the ball game. Bola ng San Beda. Number 8 pass to number 19. Number 19. Oh! There's a foul. Last 11 seconds remaining sa ating first quarter. Uy! Step in on the line. Bola ng Xavier. Last 8.5 seconds. Ayun na. Atake using the glass. Basket yan. At dito na po nagtatapos ang ating first quarter. Official score is 19-5 in favor of our Xavier School. Alright, dadaan na tayo sa ating second quarter. Muli, maraming pong salamat sa mga parents na kasama natin dito sa venue. Ayan, si Ma'am Eileen, you and the rest of the parents of our Xavier. Shout out kala Sir Erwin Tan and Ma'am Gina Ong na napaka-supportive para kay Jerwin Tan. And ganun din ang mga parents na nandito. Alright. Second unit tayo. Bola ng San Beda. San Beda basketball. Ayan na, 1-on-1. Number 15. Uy, napalakas nga lang ang paso doon. May tangan ng bola. Basta number 9. Number 9 out of bounds. Xavier School basketball. Nasa sa corner. Ay, thank you po. Ayan, shout out Mama Lynn, thank you po. Such snaps. Ayan na ang San Beda. Number 15 to number 8. Number 8, idipensahan ni number 10. High pick up, number 19. With cross, back to number 8. Number 8, pull up J, no good. Good. Pass number 10 to you, to Titus. Titus back to, and that's a traveling violation. Bola ng San Beda. Oh, steal. Makakuha ni Titus. Tan. Out of bounds. Same ball. Maglalabas ng bola. Bounce pass. And there's a foul. Free throw area. Depano, number 13 on the free throw area. Number 30, like Stephen Gary jersey. Depano, first shot, no good. Second shot by Depano. Basket yan. 20 and 5. Number 0. Uy, no good. Rebound by number 9. Let's go. Pass to Depano. Depano, binababa ang bola. Behind the back. Depano looking for his teammate. Setting on the set. Brody Kyoto. Kyoto with the side. Pass to Depano. Side step. Oy! And that's a traveling violation. Seven minutes and 32 seconds. Bola ng San Beda. Ayun na. Nabitawan. Out of bounds. Xavier School basketball. Time remaining 7 minutes and 21 seconds. Brody Kyoto maglalabas ng bola. Pass to number 10 to Titus. Titus to the number 10. Pass to Brody. Uy, that's a 3 seconds violation. Timeout, San Beda. Official score is 20 and 5. Lamang pa rin tayo dito ng 15. Back to the ball game. Bola ng San Beda. Number 7. That's a backcourt violation. Xavier School Basketball. Brody maglalabas ng bola. Brody Kyoto. Pass to Depano. Depano spin. Pass to Brody. Brody sumalaksak. Nabitawan. That's a traveling violation. Bola dito ng San Beda. Number 7 to number 0. Pass to number 7. Stop and pump. Short. Rebound. Makukuha ni Brody. Brody steal by number 14. But there's a foul. On the free throw area, jersey number 14 of San Beda. First shot, no good. Second shot. Wala. Rebound. Out of bounds. Our Xavier School Basketball. Jerwin, pass to Kyoto. Back to Jerwin. Jerwin nabitawan ng bola. Uy, nice save ni Gagi. Number 8, pass to number 7. Fake. Uy, using the glass. Wala. Rebound by Jerwin, but there's a foul. Bola natin. Xavier School Basketball. Brody Kyoto. Lalabas ng bola. Pass to Jerwin. Jerwin, pass to Gagi. Number 11, pass to Depano. Depano with the ball. Depano. Oopsie. That's a foul. That is a first team foul of San Beda. 4 minutes and 47 seconds. Running time po tayo, ha. Depano, pass to Brody. Hand off to Depano. Depano, and there's a foul. Number 8. That's a blocking foul. Binigay sa corner. Depano. Binigay sa low post. Number 13, Cal. Too strong. Rebound ng San Beda. Ayun na, nagmamadali. Number 39, block. Number 0, no good. Rebound. Makakuha ni Brody. Steal. Uy, tumama sa paa. Out of bounds. Time out. Xavier's goal. Time remaining almost 4 minutes. Yan natin ang huddle coach of our Xavier. Okay, back to the ball game. 4 minutes. Bola natin. Ayun ang full court defense ng San Beda. Depano, binababa ang bola. Napalakas na lang ang pasa doon. Red ball. Block. Yun lang, out of bounds. Last touch doon ni Jerwin. Get the 3. No good. Rebound. Number 5. Good defense ng Xavier. Tatlo ang nakataas ang kamay. And there's a foul. Depano may hawak ng bola. Depano, pass to you. You with the ball. Number 18. Out of bounds. Last touch. San Beda basketball. Steal. Number 18. Pass to Depano. Gagi. Catch and shoot. No good. Rebound. Number 36 to number 19. Sai. Pass to number 39. Spin. Tumira. No good. Rebound by Gagi. Pass to you. Oopsie. Depano. Back to you. You. Pass to Gagi. Running shot. No good. Rebound. Number 13. Oopsie. Last touch. Bola ng Xavier. Brody, pass to Depano, catch and shoot, no good. Rebound by number 5. There we go, San Beda, number 39. Crossover, binigay sa corner, number 11 for 3, no good. Rebound by number 5, block. Number 36 with the rebound, kick out. Number 7, block there para sa Xavier. Outlet pass to Gagi all the way. Sumabay ka pa! What a nice, strong move by Gagi. Jersey number 11. Bonus shot para kay Gagi. Time remaining, last 54 seconds sa ating first half. Gagi, basket yan! With a 3-point play. Time out, San Beda. Oh, wala. Tama pala. Wala. Fake news lang pala yung fake news. Okay, last 54 seconds. Bola na San Beda. Ooh! That's a blocking foul. Number 25. Bola na ang San Beda. Number 7. Pass to Sai. Sai. Cross. Uy! Natulak ulit ni number 25. Foul number 25. That is Cheng on the free throw area. Jersey number 19. Sai. Time remaining po natin, last 40 seconds. First shot para kay Sai is good. Second shot para kay Sai. Basket yan, 2 for 2. 23-7. Titus, pinasok na rin dito. There is a foul. Xavier. Okay, back to the ball game. Last 34 seconds on the game clock para sa ating first half. Go. Pass to Titus. To Cheng. Back to Gagi. Ayan na ang double team. Cheng. Pinas sa corner. Yo! What a move by you. Ayan na ang San Beda. Back to Sai. Sai with the Hesi. Binigay sa corner. Number 29. Out of bounds. Last 2.2 seconds. 2.8 seconds. Outlet pass. Ayan na for the shot. Number 9. And that's the end of the first half. Official score 25-7 in favor of our Xavier School. Alright, magkakatuwa muna tayo for the meantime. And muli, maraming pong salamat sa muli ninyong pag-suporta. And it's my honor na maging part ng game na to. Alright, our final official score 25-9 ba? Para sa ating first half, magbabalik tayo cut po muna natin ang ating live para sa ating third quarter. Hanggang sa muli.